How to add more than 35 pictures on TikTok. Hello and welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add more than 35 pictures on your TikTok. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. To do that, you need an additional app that's called CapCut. Go ahead and open up your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in CapCut. Once you install this application, open it. Now here, tap on New Project and go onto the Photos section. From here, you can add more than 35 photos that you would like to upload to your TikTok. Let's do that. And once you add more than 35 photos, you will see it all here. Now, in order to save this, all you have to do is tap on the download icon on your top right. Tap on Save to Device. And once it gets completed, all you have to do is tap on Share to TikTok on your bottom right, and it will direct you to your TikTok account. Once you do so, as you can see that it says CapCut because it has come from CapCut, and this is what contains 35 plus photos. Write in your caption and tap onto Post. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.